I love my new silicone toilet brush and toilet brush holder. This comes together really easily. It's just in 3 different pieces when you get it and you just screw it together. The head is a really unique shape. I like that it can just get in every single nook and cranny really well, and you can check out, these are silicone brush heads, so it's really soft and gentle on your toilet, and it's also really easy to clean, and you're not getting all of the gross stuff like stuck in your bristles and just staying there gross. You know, it's a lot cleaner and healthier. This is the base that it goes into. It's a really unique design because you can see on the inside, like it allows the water to drain into the bottom, so it's not just sitting in gross bacteria and everything. You can just like do like this and take the water out after it drains and rinses. I just have mine sitting on the floor, which you can do, or you can mount it, and it comes with heavy duty stickers so you can mount it on the wall if you have limited floor space, or you just would like to keep it on your wall. You can do that, or you can set it down. So you have a lot of options. I'm really impressed and pleased with it so far.